In a world built brick by brick, one team keeps the lights on. The grid guardians, because power outages are so last century. Every connection matters, every wire counts. Powered by extreme aerial productions. Yes, we have merch. Time to fly, no pilot's license required. Surveying the network, like Google Maps, but useful. Every nut, every bolt, riveting stuff, literally. Precision inspection, no detail left unturned. Measuring clearances, because guessing is for amateurs. The grid speaks in data. We're fluent. What the eye misses, thermal reveals, like X-ray vision, but hotter. Hotspot flagged at 78 degrees, spicy. From vintage to cutting edge, progress in action. Seamless integration, the future just clocked in.
All systems nominal. Grid's looking good today. Proved for energization. Let there be light.
The grid is safe, the future's bright, mission accomplished. Thanks to the grid guardians, keeping it together one brick at a time.